Hi, I'm Olivia. Keep watching for quality you can expect in your inbox. Here's a few examples.
Are you someone who deals with constant stomach issues, bloating, skin problems, low energy, and you've already tried everything and feel like you're never gonna find a solution? This is your lucky day.
This is literally the easiest way to book hotels, and they're so cheap.
Open up the Hopper app from the App Store, select hotels, put in your destination.
Yeah, you're gonna be jealous of my new shower. Look at this thing. It's yellow, it's customizable, it's cute, and it's renter friendly. Just imagine me showering like this. Okay, this is the game that took me from puzzle games are cool to call me Mrs. Royal, I'm in love with the king. But first I gotta get in there and save that king because he always seems to be in trouble. This is my go-to chill game.
Get rid of my cellulite with me.
All thanks to this skin tightening massager from Rebento. You can use this on your legs, belly, butt, and arms to get a deep massage that tightens, lifts, and reduces the appearance of cellulite on your skin with only 10 minutes a day. This is by far my favorite beauty device.